'n alternatiewe haainette wat deur 'n span van die Universiteit Stellenbosch ontwikkel is, word nou in Valsbaai en ook aan die kus van die Reunion Eiland getoets. Die Shark Safe Barrier is uiters gevorderde haai-spesifieke tegnologie en een van die mede-stigters, Dr. Sarah Andreotti, vertel ons meer.
The Shark Safe Barrier is a new technology which is eco-friendly and shark-specific and designed to simply keep large sharks separated from surfers and swimmers. The concept is trying to solve what is called the shark-human conflict, where surfers get in negative encounter with sharks, and the way this problem has been addressed up until now is to try and kill as many sharks as possible to reduce their number and then reduce the chances of encounter. There is a lot of misconception about shark nets and how do they work. They are also called gill nets. They are very large mesh, and they are deployed in patches on the top and at the bottom of around the beaches. So the shark can definitely swim under. The majority of the shark are actually trapped on the way out of the beach. The reason for these nets is not to keep shark away from people, is get the population of shark to decline as much as possible. 2009, 10 and 11, my work with the university was counting the sharks. And we estimated the white shark in South Africa to be between 300 and 500. And that number is so small. When confronted with the problem that whales and dolphins and turtles also get entangled and killed in these nets, with this Shark Safe Barrier, we are trying to provide something different that doesn't kill anything, copies from nature what sharks naturally recognize as a barrier, and that is a thick forest of kelp. Sharks have a sense that we don't have. They have a sense around the eyes and their nose that allows them to detect very minute electric and magnetic fields in the water. So they normally naturally use that for predation. If there is a fish under the sand, they can perceive and feel the electricity coming out of the muscle movement. A strong magnets create such a strong field around it that it overpowers this very sensitive system they have. What makes it unique is that we can put it behind the surfers. Because the sea likes to break things, we have to go through so many designs since 2012 that involved chain, fan belt, ropes, and pipes. You count them. Eventually, we got to a combination of material that we can build from recyclable plastic, which was also important for us as a way to take some plastic out of the environment and use them for something useful. It is my hope that people will change the way they approach the sea when sharks are in the ocean, in the area. And it goes all the way from the way they feel. I want them to feel safe. I want them to respect the predators that are naturally in their water. If we don't want this problem anymore, we can do something about it. That's already a great step in the right direction.
Dankie dat jy vanaand ingeskakel het. Ons is volgende week Dinsdag aand terug. Tot dan, mooi bly en goeienaand.